A little late start this morning. It's 7:45, probably 7:46 by now. Oops. 7:46. I'll probably pull in the parking lot like 8:01. Usually I'm never late. Never late. But today's one of those days. So, what's that, YouTube? It is July 23rd. Oh, there's a light mist. Not really a rain, but definitely wet. Ah, man. Barely get my foot under there. Where the hell did that truck go? Oh, he turned. I was like, oh, that's weird. Okay. Yeah, there's like a slight mist out. And I decided to take the Sportster today. Old Bumblebee here. And man, barely squeezed my foot into those controls. We gotta jam on it when we get on the freeway here. Here we go. Definitely a mist out. Already getting over the face shield. Man, I feel like I'm on a mini bike whenever I get on this thing now. Like I'm all bunched up. It's a wet one. Dang, I haven't had this kind of moisture on my mask in a long time going to work. Actually, it's only been maybe a few months. Because that is why I got the BMX pegs for the what do you call it? Dyna, because my feet were slipping off those stock rubber ones. Oh crap, I got a cop coming after me. Ah, this sucks. Yep, he's, yep. Well, shit. Haven't had a ticket in a long time. Now I got them screwed up. Hello. Okay, I'm sorry.
Traffic. At one point I got you at a little over 90.
90?
Yeah, at one point. I was trying to catch up to you, but I couldn't because you kept going.
I'm sorry. Yes, I screwed up being late for work. I'm gonna really be late now.
Oh, is that where you're going?
Yeah, I work for the county for social services.
Okay, are you on the bike?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 second, I'm gonna run up.
All right. Damn, I didn't know this thing would go 90. Where is my ID card? Yeah, 7 minutes. Town. Hey, I think I know what I'll spend my birthday money on. A ticket. Where the heck was he hiding?
Citation. I'm going to give you a break on the amount because I got you going 92. I'm only going to write you for going 80.
Okay.
So I just need you to sign in that red box right there. By signing in the red box, you're not admitting guilt. You're just saying you'll take care of it. So if you want to fight it, you can still do that.
Okay. You need insurance or?
Was that?
Insurance or?
No, I ran it.
Okay.
It comes up that you have insurance on your registration. It just doesn't tell me what exact kind of it is.
Okay.
So there's the citation. Here's the license.
All right. Thank you.
Right there.
Shit. Okay. Oh, hey, you know what? Hey, one sec. I just realized I didn't update my address on my license.
Okay.
Is it going to go to my old address?
But all you need to do is just call the number at the bottom for the court and then tell them where your new address is. They'll forward it to that.
Okay, all right, thanks. Oh, that sucks. A ticket on the Sportster. Come on. Ah, that sucks. Yes, I know where my birthday money, well, it's gonna be more than that, where some of my birthday money's going. Yeah, now I'm late. See, I should have just texted and said I was going to be late instead of trying to make it on time.